Now we are to do the short answers. Now question number 4 and 5. Question 4 says, how and where do the following birds build their nest? Different birds are given. How they build their nest and where they build the nest, we have to explain over here, write it in details. Number 1 is swallow. Swallows build nest using mainly mud in dark areas under the cliffs, bridges, roofs and so on. Swallows are the birds which build their nest with mainly the mud, the pictures of which we have seen before in our chapter. With mud they usually build their nest. And in which areas? In dark areas. Where do they get the dark areas? They get the dark areas under the cliffs, bridges, roofs of houses and so on. Number 2 is eagle. Eagles use twigs and sticks to make their nests high on trees or on cliffs. Eagles usually fly high on the sky. They remain mostly on the higher part of the sky. So, they build the nest on high trees, at the top of the high trees or on cliffs. What they use? They use twigs and sticks to make their nest. Number 3 is penguins. Penguins build their nest with rocks and pebbles since they do not find grass, leaves, etc. in extreme cold areas where they live. Number 3 part is penguin. Penguin is a bird which lives in the extreme cold areas, Arctic, Antarctic regions, Siberia and others. They don't find any grass, twigs, leaves, trees, nothing is found there. So, what will they use? They only use the things which are available, that is rocks and pebbles. So it's given here, penguins build their nest with rocks and pebbles since they do not get grass and leaves as they live in the extreme cold areas. Now we go on to part 4, which says the woodpecker, a very interesting bird, woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their beak to make a hole in the trunk of a tree. That is their nest, and they lay their eggs inside that hole. So woodpecker is a bird which climbs up big trees, and not on the branches but on the main trunk of the tree. They start picking the trunk of the tree with their beak and they make a hole inside the trunk of the tree. That hole itself is their nest. They don't use extra twigs, leaves or cotton or anything to make the nest. That hole itself is the nest of the woodpecker, and inside that hole they lay the eggs because that is their nest. So we have done all 4 types of birds. They are the ways of making their nest and the things they use for making their nest. Now the last question is a very simple question which says, which is the national bird of India? We all know, we have done it in lower classes and we all know the peacock is the national bird of India. I repeat, the peacock is the national bird of India. With this we come to end of the short answer questions, and tomorrow we are going to start off with the long answer questions.